What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to record a time-lapse here in Clip Studio Paint. So when you have your Clip Studio open, what you want to do is go over to File and create a new document. You want to go down to the bottom left of the window and check the record time-lapse. If you don't do this, it won't work, so make sure you have it checked. Once you check that, you get this Windows pop-up telling you that the recordings will be saved in the canvas, making the file size bigger. Click OK. So Clip Studio doesn't actually record the whole screen, it only records the actions that happen within the canvas, like brush strokes and undo command. To make sure that it is recording, you want to go to File, Time-lapse and check the record time-lapse. If you don't have it checked and you start drawing, it won't record your drawings. And if you've already started drawing and then you check it, it will only start from where you check the record time-lapse. However, if you have already checked it and you uncheck it, it will delete the time-lapse from the canvas. I'm going to turn it back on. So I'm going to draw a head and I'll speed up the video and show you how to export it. Once you are done with your art and you want to export it, just go to File, Time-lapse, Export Time-lapse. Once you do this, you get a preview of how it will look like. Now you can adjust the length, size and aspect ratio of the video. You can also choose to show the CSP logo. The length can be 15 seconds, 30 or 60 seconds long, depending on how long your drawing took to make. The size is just a pixel, and for the aspect ratio, I'll choose to use the original. Then you click OK. It will render out the video and you choose where you want to save it. This is what mine looks like, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next.